Hello everyone, today I'm here to show you our newest cone filling machine, the Sluice Box. The Sluice Box is made right here in the USA, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly what comes with the Sluice Box, how to set up the Sluice Box, and how to fill pre-rolled cones with our newest pre-roll machine. So let's get started. Your Sluice Box will come with a vibrating base, a lower cartridge, upper cartridge, metal tray, a set of dividers, and if you got the 98 and 109 mm setup, then it will come with a set of risers to increase the height of the cartridge when doing 109 mm cones. There is also an optional attachment, the tamping attachment, and I'll go over more over this tool and how to use it later in this video. But essentially it helps to compress down the cones and provide a better overall pre-roll. So let me show you now how to put this all together. In order to set up the Sluice Box, it's highly recommended that you purchase a rubber mat to place on the bottom of the Sluice Box. That's in order to catch any excess material, reduce vibration on the machine, and reduce movement of the machine. Once you have your workstation set up, it's very easy to set up the Sluice Box. You would essentially first place the metal tray onto the vibrating base. You would then take the lower cartridge and place that onto the metal tray. Once you have that placed onto the metal tray, you are essentially ready to load the cones, and you would load the cones individually, one cone per slot. There are 325 slots on the 98 and 109 mm setup, and there are 406 slots on the 84 mm setup. Once you have loaded the cones into the lower cartridge, you are now ready to place the upper cartridge on top and load the cannabis. You would simply grab the upper cartridge, place it on top, and then you are ready to load the cannabis into the cones. In order to start the vibration on the machine, you simply press the button down here and you would press it in short bursts. Now that you know basically how to set up the Sluice Box, let's do an example run so you can see exactly how this machine works. Let me quickly show you how to load cones into the Sluice Box. As you can see, like most vibrating filling machines, you place the cones into the Sluice Box at one slot per time. If any of the cones are sticking up slightly, all you have to do is gently press the palm of your hand against the top of the surface to press the cones down. Now all the cones are loaded. You place the upper cartridge on top and you begin to spread your material. You use the vibration on the machine to help further spread the material and help get the material to fall through into the cone. Once the material has fallen through, you simply remove the upper cartridge and you'll see on the lower cartridge that there is some excess material on top. What we'll want to do is we'll want to run the vibration for a little bit longer and spread the material to make sure that our cones are well packed. So let's just do that. Now that everything's well packed, at this point we're ready to use the tamping tool. In order to use the tamping tool, you simply place it on top of the lower cartridge and you put the amount of pressure that you want to achieve your perfect tamp. The tamp basically helps to create a better overall compression on the pre-rolls and make sure that it's really well packed towards the crutch and at the top. This creates a better burn and overall smoking experience. So now that it's been pretty well tamped here, let's compare the two pre-rolls, one that's been tamped with a tamping tool and one that has not been tamped at all. If you need to add more flour to your cones, then we can repeat the process, placing the upper cartridge on top again, spreading more material, and then doing the tamping process again. The Sluice Box really allows you to customize your packing and tamping process in order to create the perfect pre-roll. Some may want to fill just halfway and then do a tamp, and then fill the remaining amount and doing a final round of tamping, whereas others may want to fill most of the material at first and then just do one round of tamping. What you end up doing is highly dependent on your preferred smoke, grind size, fill weight, and strain. The Sluice Box lead time is 1 to 2 weeks and it is made in the USA. The machine comes with one set of cartridges for either 84 mm or 98 and 109 millimeter cones. Additional cartridges can be purchased and the motor comes with a 1-year warranty. Thank you for watching this video, and please visit us at www.customconesusa.com to learn more about our pre-roll machines. Thank you.